In this video, I'm going to teach you 4 solutions on how to fix security or firewall setting might be blocking the connection here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. The first solution that you can do is that you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for panel. Once you've typed it, a best match should appear, which is the control panel system. Please click on this open option to continue. And in a few moments, you will be able to bring up a window, which is the control panel itself. So once you are here, please change the view first into large icons like this. Go with view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, locate for Windows Defender Firewall, which is in my case it is being placed here at the fourth column next to Sync Center. So here at the left pane, you can see there a list of the option. Please proceed with Restore Defaults. And here you'd be able to see an option called again Restore Defaults. So click on Restore Defaults. Okay. So once you have restored it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second solution. And our second solution would be you need to open again your panel or the control panel. And this time, please navigate to the network and sharing center. So this one. So click on this one. And the moment you've clicked on it, okay, you need to proceed again with the option. Okay, so here you need to proceed again with those Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, and there you can see advanced settings. Please click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open this advanced security window. Please proceed with clicking on this restore default policy. So click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you need to click on yes. And the moment you do that, restart your computer. And once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the third solution. So before we proceed to the third solution, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the third solution that you can do is that here at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, okay, you need to proceed here at the under the best matched. Okay, and proceed here at the right side and click on Run as Administrator. Now, if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running the system as administrator. So please type the command text or you can paste the command text that I'll be including at the description box below. So please copy it there. So it is netsh space adv firewall space reset. Again, it is not as such space ADV firewall reset and click on the enter key. And once it will show here OK, that would mean that you have successfully resetted it. So close the window and restart your computer to complete the procedure. And once you have restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then let's bound to the fourth and last solution. And that is here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now here at the settings, all you need to do is you need to proceed here at the left pane and locate for network and internet. Click on this one and here locate for the option which is the firewall. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to navigate to the Windows firewall. So please locate for it. Okay. So from that, you need to navigate to the advanced network and there you can see the firewall, Windows firewall rather, click on this one. And in a few moments, you would be able to bring up a new window, which is the Windows Defender firewall. Please wait until it will be set for you. And once ready, here under the list, locate for Restore Firewalls to Default, click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, okay, once you've restarted it, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.